Since a lot of you are asking for the qualifications to be able to apply as a cabin crew, I will be here with you to answer those, including the frequent or common questions that I received in my previous videos. So first, you have to be at least 21 years old. May nakausap din naman ako na 20 years old pa lang nag-apply na. Pero yung process ng application is umaabot ng 4 to 6 months, ganon. Then by those 4 to 6 months going 21 na siya. So I think tinatanggap pa rin ni Qatar Airways yun. So yung pangalawa is minimum arm reach of 212 centimeter. So, ayun nga, si Qatar Airways, unlike other airlines, wala siyang height requirement, but you need to be able to reach the 212 centimeter in order for you to pass the arm reach test. Actually, nasagot ko na to sa aking previous video. Pero sige lang, sasabihin ko pa rin. Ayun, if ever naman hindi ka confident na maaabot mo yung 212, mag-start ka ng mag-unat-unat dyan. Yung ibang kakilala ko, naglalagay sila ng parang sticker sa wall nila na 212 centimeter. Tapos, yun yung pinapractice nila everyday. Kasi yung mga kamay natin, nag-stretch man yarn. So, ayun. Then, yung next naman is at least high school graduate. Maraming nagtatanong din sa aking previous video if pwede ba daw college graduate or college level. So, to clear things up, charing. Pwede pong high school graduate lang. Also, to add then may nagtanong rin if pwede bang hindi tourism yung course or need ba talaga na tourism yung course. So, guys, hindi necessary na tourism yung course mo because I've flown with a lot of crew na hindi naman tourism. Even ako, hindi ako graduate ng tourism. My course was AB English. I've flown with lawyers, architects, teachers, accountancy graduate, meron din nurses, engineers, and etc. So, hindi necessary na tourism yung course para makapag-apply ka maging flight attendant. Okay? And lastly, you are proficient in speaking the English language. You're able to read and write in English. Because in order for us to communicate with our customers and our colleagues, we need to use the English language because, as you all know, English is a universal language and that's the only language na everyone can understand. So, ayun, kung medyo nahihirapan ka pang magsalita ng English, you really need to practice it. Because how are we going to talk with our customers, 'di ba? Since we are like working in an international airline, so dapat marunong talaga tayo mag-English. Kahit ako nga hindi ko ay kahit ako nga parang ano, hindi na ako masyadong marunong mag-English. But wala tayong choice. Ginusto natin 'to. Kaya need natin 'to ilaban. So, I think that's it for the qualifications. If gusto niyo ding So if you have questions, guys, you can leave some comments para ma-answer. Ma-answer. If you have questions, guys, you can leave some in the comment section so I can answer it if I have time. So thank you very much for watching. Okay. I hope that this video helps you and see you on the next one. Bye.